Today I'm taking a look at the Yiyeie 90-piece quarter-inch drive torque wrench screwdriver set. Okay, so this is pretty cool. This is actually a ratcheting T-handle. It has a very smooth feel to it. Like, this does not have very much back drag at all. That is surprisingly nice. All the black on here is rubber, so it does have a fairly nice feel to it. That's nice. That's worth the whole kit. And then we got the star of the show. This is the Torx screwdriver. You can see we have our coarse adjustment right there with that indicator. Then we have our fine adjustment right there. If you grab the base, pull that out. We can see we were just under 30, so 25 plus 4.5, so we're looking at about 29.5. This is plastic, but the rest of the black on here is all rubber, so it has a very nice feel to it. It has a standard pull style chuck. Very nice. It actually comes with a little chart, so if we want to convert from inch pounds to newton meters, we multiply by 0.1130. And we have a certificate of calibration. When they set this to 10, they got a measurement of 10.2, 10.1, and 10.2. When they set it to 35, they got 35, 35.3, and 35.6. When they set it to 70, you got 70.5, 70.0, and 70.3. So that is very accurate. That is all within 0.6 inch pounds. That is extremely nice. They also gave us a magnetic tray with this. That is pretty cool. So we could just take this whole thing, set it out. If we have to disassemble something, we just take the screws and put them right there. I guess more importantly, if we're going to be assembling something, which would be the point of this, we keep all our screws right there and then just make sure that they're all torqued to spec. We have got a bunch of different driver bits. It looks like all of these are flatheads. This is interesting. So they appear to be the same length, but you can see that they're actually different thickness, which is not something you normally see, but that does actually come in handy because we have come across some studs that are hand cut and the width actually varies. So having this is very nice. I have never seen that before in a kit. So if you got a flathead problem, that will be solved with this. There are a ton of them. We also got some Phillips, we got some Torx, we got a bunch of hex, we got some security bits, we have a socket driver, we have a female flathead driver, we got a long Phillips, we got what look like some punches, and we got a concave and a convex flathead, a nice thick flathead, and a spanner driver. So a ton of different bits. Also comes with a short extension with a magnetic bit holder and an adapter to go from a square drive to a bit holder. So right now we are at 10 inch pounds. So that is very light. And this is a range of 10 up to 70 inch pounds. So for anything that you feel is important, where you want to make sure it is torqued down properly, but you don't want to risk stripping it out, especially something like an aluminum or a plastic. There we go. This is going to be the tool for that. You can see it tighten it down right till it got to the torque you want, and then the handle just slips like a clutch. So the only thing that's a little odd to me is just the surprising amount of flatheads. I can see that they do all start out thinner and then end up thicker, so these are actually different sized heads. It's kind of impressive. This is the only kit I have that has anything quite like that. And then just with the weight of this tool, like, this feels like a heavy duty tool. This has some weight to it, so everything about this feels fairly premium. And on top of that, this foam insert does come out, so if you want to just take this and put it right in your toolbox, you can do that with this kit. So yeah, that is a very nice kit.